Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer, and today I thought I would just talk to you about a topic that really comes out of necessity. I have so many doctors and vision therapists from all over the world contacting me and asking me to train them in certain areas that I'm only one person and I can't respond to everybody. So what we've done is we've created a Facebook support community called Next Level Vision Therapy. And I'm super excited about it. We're just now getting this off the ground, but it's going to be a place where doctors and therapists can join together. They can watch videos that I've posted in there. I'll do live videos. I'll post other information. Like the other day, I posted a list of equipment that I use in my clinic. We are going to be able to have it as a safe spot where you can ask any question. It's not too silly. It's not too, serious. Ask away. And hopefully we'll have interaction with other doctors and therapists who will answer those things, as well as I will be there to connect with you personally. So I hope that this is going to be something that everyone is excited about it, just like we're excited about it. Again, it's coming out of the need that I'm only one person. I'm also running a clinic, but I want to be able to serve you. So you can go and search for our group called Next Level Vision Therapy on Facebook. You should see my picture on that. If you have questions, feel free to email us. But I'm excited, and here's to taking things to the next level.